Hi guys, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm back again with the new recipes. I'm going to start with the sweet. Let's make Rava Kesari today. The ingredients are start with the process. In a hot pan, add little ghee and saute the suji or rava well. Roast it well. Roasting the suji or rava, keep it aside in a plate, and in the same pan add some ghee and fry the dry grapes and cashew nuts. The cashew nuts will turn brown and the dry grape will swell up. That's when you'll have to take it out. Then add water, saffron strands and elaichi and let it boil. The water boils, add the roasted suji and mix well. There should not be any lumps, so mix well. Add 1.5 cup of sugar. The mixture will turn little watery, but the kesari will be ready soon. The kesari is now ready. You can have it hot.